how to calculate the net sale price according to any special text criteria. In this worksheet, column A and B contains the full price of various items along with a matching category in column B. Let's choose letter D in this category name to indicate a 25% discount on the full price for the items in column A. Let's highlight letter D. We want to know the actual sale price for each item in column C. To do that, we need to create a formula that calculates appropriate sale price for each item. We can approach this by using three Excel functions together. The if, we will use the if, the error, and find functions. So let's enter this formula in cell C2 is equal to if select if and open brace and enter the is error function, select is error and find function and select text D and choose cell B2 and close brace and again select A2 and we can meet here 75% discount, not discount but 75% of the actual price. Here the find function returns the position or the character number of the character D within the text stored in column B. If that character does not appear in column B, it returns an error. So here comes the is error function. The is error function determines whether or not the result of the find function is an error and returns true or false accordingly. If true is returned, that is the letter D does not appear in the category name in column B, the if function returns the full price in the cell A2. Otherwise, that means the letter D appears in category name in column B, it returns 75% of that price. That means 25% discount. So first let's enter the formula, double click to copy. So here in this A4 there is a 25% discount or 75% of the price. Also in the 9 again there is a 25% discount. So these three Excel functions help us to select the text in category B and do according to the calculation.